welcome back to my channel. It is Pisces Finest. This wig is from Ririhair. I'm gonna leave all the links and everything, the information to this hair in the description box. Hope you guys enjoy watching me install this wig. I'm thinking about straightening it, but I don't know, we'll see. But if you want to keep it in this body wave form, then I will show you how to install it and style it. I don't know, like I feel like I should do something with it, but I don't know what to do with it, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Enjoy this video. I really love this hair. It's really soft and like it really was easy to manage, and it also came pre-bleached, so that was really helpful because it was actually bleached. Like unlike some companies when they say pre-bleached, it's like not bleached. What else did I like about this wig? Honestly, everything. It's cute. I just don't know what to do with it. What I need to know now, my loneliness is killing me. So this is the hair I'm gonna be using in this video. It's from Ririhair. It says thank you. There's a note. It says thank you, dear customer. All of our products are crafted with attention to detail. The wig fresh out the box, and they gave me a brush that matches the inside, and then a wig cap. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box, and as you can see, the knots are already bleached, so that's very helpful. Basically what this wig, all you have to do is pluck it, and then you should be good to go. guys for watching this video. I hope it was really informative. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Welcome. You are so welcome here. Thanks for watching, and I'll be doing a lot more how to style wig videos coming soon, so thumbs this up if you want another one.